Term 3, Unit 5 Money, Part 1. In this session, we are going to learn about activities on money lesson. So, in this money lesson, we are going to do as usual procedure only. That means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of money. So, that's it. So, that you know well, isn't it? Okay, let us see that. And before that, we have one recall question. That means we have already learnt about the conversion of money. Conversion means, okay, I'll tell you, conversion of money in the interconcept chapter in the previous term. Let us try to fill in the following. So, interconcept chapter, yes, I too also uploaded that interconcept chapter in this Maxinol channel ma. Just to go through that, it will be helpful for better understanding. Okay. So, come here, conversion of money. So, conversion is nothing but from rupees to pies or else pies to rupees. That's it. So, that also you are very well known about that. Anyway, just a glance. So, 1 rupee equal to 100 pies means 5 rupees. Yes, we multiply with 100, we get 500. So, for 5 rupees, 500 pies is the correct answer, or else multiply like this. So, we'll get the same answer. So, fill the answer here. Now, 775 pies is equal to rupees 775 pies. So, from this itself, we can split and write. That means 425 pies is equal to rupees 4 and 25 pies, or else divide like this. If we divided by 100, 4 times 100, isn't it? So 4 times means 4 into 100, 400. So 4 times will be come, and then remaining 25 is a 2-digit number which is lesser than 100. So that will be the remainder. Then you can split like this. So 4 rupees and 25 is the correct answer here. Hope you understand here. Let us move to the next one. Let us see the activity mark. Match the big bag with small bags. So look at this. Left side we have very big bag and right side we have small 3 bags, isn't it? So how can we match? These are all the answers. So if we do the calculation here, we will get the answer among these 4 bags, right? Like that we are going to match it. So let us select the first one. 575 minus rupees 38 minus rupees 20. So first we do this calculation. After that, from the answer we will minus this rupees 20, then we will get the answer, right? Yes, I have entered rupees 575 above and rupees 38 with that proper place value. That's very important, don't forget. Each and every time while doing calculation, mention that place value also. Okay. So in ones column, from 5 we couldn't subtract, so 5 is not enough. So let us cancel that 5, and then from 10, in 10 7, let us get 1 tenth, right? So remaining 6 will be there, and give that 1 tenth to ones column. So 10 plus 5, 15 will be at the top. So now let us minus from 15. So 15 minus 8, 7. That you know well, isn't it? So you are all very excellent in this addition, subtraction, calculation, right? So come to the tens column, 6 minus 3, 3, and then 5, there is no calculation in that 100 column, so write as it is. So mention that symbol. From this 537, now we are going to minus the 20 also. So 7 minus 0, 7, then 3 minus 2, 1, and 5 as it is. So as usual, just rupees 517 is the correct answer. Like that we have to match it. Clear? So second one, rupees 489 plus 258 plus rupees 49. So let us do the first two ma. 489 plus 258. So add as it is. 9 plus 8, 17. See here, as a first standard student ma, you must be familiar in the mind calculation. நேரத்துக்கு மைண்ட்லயே ஆட் பண்ணி பழகி இருக்கணும். So get well practice on that. Clear? So 9 plus 8, 17. So 7 here and 1 in the tens column, and add all those tens column. 1 plus 8 plus 5. 14, isn't it? So 4 and 1 above. If we add these 300s, 1 plus 4 plus 2, we get 6 plus 1, 7, right? Okay. Now, with that 747, we need to add rupees 49, like this. So, add as it is 9 plus 7, 16, 6 and 1 above. Then 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. Clear. So, bring that 7 as it is. So, where will be the answer? It is in the last row, right? Very good. So let us focus on the third one. Rupees 123 minus 33. So 3 minus 3 0. Then 2 is not enough, isn't it? Okay, just cancel it and get a support from 100 column. Only 100 is there. So if we give to 10, in 100 column we have 0. Then 100 plus here 2 tens, isn't it? So if we add 102 2 tens, we will get 120. That's what we mention as a 12 here. So don't get confusion. So in tens column, we have mentioned it as 12. That means 120, right? So 12 minus 3, 9. So now we have 90, isn't it? Okay. So from that 90, we are going to subtract rupees 17, right? Fine. So 0 is not enough to subtract 7. So as it is, cancel that and get the 1 tens from 9. Then here 8 will be in the tens column. So now let us minus from 10, we will get 3, and in tens column we have 7. So 73 is the correct answer, isn't it? So second one is the correct answer for this. Okay. So last one, rupees 32 plus rupees 16. Just add more. 6 plus 2, 8, and 3 plus 1, 4. So 48 plus 2, that we know, 50, isn't it? That's what we have mentioned here. For your reference, you go through. So each and everything you have to do by yourself and then mark it in your book. You will be practiced. Okay, fine. So mark this answer to that 50. Hope you understand here. Denomination sums also we have already done in 4th standard. So everything in math is a continuation only. So don't forget anything. Clear? Just to have a glance here. So let us start with rupees 1. First try to understand the question. How many 1 rupee coin will be needed to get rupees 10,000? So that's the question mark. Then how many 2 rupee coin will be needed to get rupees 10,000, and so on. Like that we are going to find out here. So rupees 10,000. How many 2,000 rupee notes will be needed to get 10,000? So let us see how to do. So mention that rupees 10,000 at the top, and if we divide by rupees 1, we will get the answer. So as we know well about this, if we divide by 1, we get the same answer, isn't it? So the answer will be 10,000. So what is the meaning here? We need 10,000 1 rupee coin to get rupees 10,000. Is it clear now? Likewise, we are going to do the next also. Fill the answer here, ma. That is, fill the answer 10,000 in the column. Yes. 5,000 2 rupee coin will be needed to get rupees 10,000. So 5,000 is the correct answer here. Then the third one. So hereafter you will find it out, isn't it? Yes, it's easy for you now because you are all very brilliant students. Yes. So 5 is there. So I take the 5 times table as a common. 5 one time and at the top 5 two times, isn't it? So 2 5s are also 10. 5 2s are also 10. So mention 2. Then cancel the 3 0 and join with 2. So 2000 is the correct answer. So 2000 5 rupee coin or 5 rupee notes will be needed to get rupees 10,000. So fill that. Then rupees 10. Yes. So mention the same as it is. Here 0 is there. So our work is very easy. Cancel 1 0 at the top and bottom. So remaining, if we divide by 1, we get the same answer, that is 1000. So 1000 10 rupee note will be needed to get rupees 10,000. Clear? Fine. Next 20. Yes. Here also let us cancel the 0 like this and 2 is there. So we need to do the division cancelling directly. Take the 2 times table as a common mark. 2 1 time, 2 5 times. Mention the 2 0. In between we have 2 zeros, isn't it? Just join it there. That means 500. So 500 20 rupee notes will be needed. Then 50 divided by rupees 50. Here also first cancel the 0 mark and 5 table as a common because 5 is in the bottom, isn't it? So 5 one time, 5 ones are 5. At the top 5 twos are. So in between 2 zeros are there, join it. So now we get 200. So not only in direct cancelling, if we divided by 50 as usual division method, if we use that also, you will get the same answer. Whatever method doesn't matter, just you can do by your own way, okay? But we will get the same answer like this. So mention the answer here, 200. Then let us focus on 100. Here is very easy. Cancel it 1 0 and 1 and one more 0 is also there. So now just 100 only, isn't it? Fine. So 100 rupee note will be needed to get 10,000. So if we multiply 100 into 100, we get the 10,000, isn't it? Yes, that's a cross checking. Now let us focus on that 200. So cancel it first. 2 times table is a common mark because 2 is there. And 2 1 time. At the top 5 times. So join the 0 at the top. That means 50. So 50 200 rupee notes will be needed. Then focus on 500 divided by rupees 5,000. So cancel it first. Fine. Here 5 tables as a common mark. So cancel it 1 time. Hereafter you will do, isn't it? You're all excellent students. Just grasping very carefully. So 20. Okay. Just fill the answer here. So don't bother about that rupee symbol in the left side. So by mistaken it has been given. Okay, now focus on 2000. Just cancel it 0 first. 3 times is there. Okay. So remaining 2 is there, isn't it? So 2 as a common table. 2 1 times and at the top 5. 2 5s are 10. So 5 will be the answer here, isn't it? So 5 2000 rupee notes will be needed to get 10,000. You just have a model also. Collect 5 2000 rupees note and then if we add, you will get the the same 10,000 only. Hope you all understood, I think. So get well practice, ma. Thank you.